Good morning, student.
Good morning, Mass.
How are you all?
We are fine, Mass.
Okay, very good. So, student, today we are going to study a new chapter, that is animal classification. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, student, before going to start our chapter, I would like to ask you some question. Everyone ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone ready for the questionnaire?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, student, which criteria are used for classification of organism?
The main criteria for classifying organisms into five kingdoms are the complexity of cells, structure, body organizing, the mode of nutrition, lifestyle, and phylogenetic relationship.
The system.
This system consists Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia.
Very good, Saket. You have answered it properly. That the main criteria for classifying organism into five kingdom, and how we can classify those organisms on the complexity of their cell structure as well as their body organization, and how the mode of nutrition, and as well as their lifestyle and phylogenetic relationship. Okay, everyone, now look at this image carefully. These are the image of classification of animals. So we are going to classify animals on the basis of their vertebrate and invertebrate. Okay, now look at here: vertebrate animals, amphibians, reptiles, bird, fish, mammals. These are organisms belong to vertebrate. Okay.
Ma'am, what is vertebrate?
Yes. Vertebrate organism which have backbone. Okay, understood? Backbone in their body structure. Okay, in simple terms you can easily remember that they have backbone, रीढ़ की हड्डी. Okay, and in invertebrates animal they do not have vertebral column or understood.
Yes.
So mollusca, cephalopod, myopod, echinodermata, archaea, this organism belong to invertebrates. Okay, understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how the plant are classified, student? How the plant are classified?
While there are many ways to structure plant classification, one way is to group them
Into vasculation and non-vasculation plant. Seeds bring
No. Vascular plant and non-vascular plant.
seed bearing and spore bearing and angiosperms and gymnous.
plant can also be
Herbaceous plants, woody shrubs and trees.
Very good, Rohit. You have answered it properly. Like classification, one way is to group them into vascular and non-vascular plants. Also, seed bearing and spore bearing. And further, we can also classify angiosperm and gymnosperm. Okay. So let's move to the next subtopic, that is traditional method of animal classification. Okay, so student, here traditional method of animal classifications traditionally depend upon presence or absence of the notochord. The animal kingdom has divided into two groups, which Which are those two groups? Non-chordates and chordates. In traditional method of animal classification, animals are divided into two groups. Which one? Which one?
Non chordates and chordates.
Okay. In non-chordates organism, student, their body is not supported by rod-like notochord, while pharyngeal gills slit are also absent. Remember everyone that their body is not supported by rod-like notochord, and even their pharyngeal gill slits are absent. Nerve cord, if present, it is on ventral side. Which side, Sujit?
Ventral side.
And it is also solid and paired. Okay, and their heart, if the heart is present, it's present on its dorsal side. Which side?
Dorsal side.
Okay, got it everyone?
Yes.
Now let's move to the chordates. So characters of chordates: body is supported by notochord. Pharyngeal gill slit or lungs are present for respiration. Nerve cord is also present on dorsal side of the body. Their nerve cell is present on dorsal side of the body, and it is hollow. Heart is present on ventral side of the body. Remember everyone that in non-chordates organism, their heart present on a dorsal side, while in chordates organism, their heart present on ventral side. Which side?
Ventral side.
Non-chordate organism, their heart present on
Side.
their heart present on dorsal
side.
and in chordates their heart
Ventral
present on
Ventral
side. So student, tell me what is notochord? Anyone knows what is notochord? Notochord is a long rod-like supporting structure present on dorsal side of animal body, and it what it's do, the function of notochord, it's keep the nerve tissue isolated from remaining body. Okay, so student, tell me what is notochord?
Notochord is a long rod like
Supporting structure present on
side
dorsal
of
side of
animal body. It keeps the nerves.
It keeps the nerve issue
From remaining-
isolated from
Isolated from remaining body. Okay, good. So student, let's move to the next topic. That one is conventional system of animal classification. Okay, so remember everyone, let's study about this flow chart first, and then we can move further for their characteristic as well. Okay, so student, conventional system of animal classification, they are divided into subkingdoms. Which subkingdom? Non-chordates and chordates. Okay, in non-chordates you are going to study about phylum. So remember everyone, there are total 10 phylum. How many phylums there are?
10
Total
phylum.
Okay, repeat with me everyone. First one is protozoa. First one is protozoa.
Protozoa.
And the second one is porifera. And the second one is porifera. Third one is cnidaria. Third one is
Cnidaria.
fourth one is platyhelminthes.
platyhelminthes.
Fourth one is
Platyhelminthes.
and fifth one is Ascalminthes. Ascalminthes.
Ascalminthes.
Sixth one is Annelida.
Annelida.
And the seventh one Arthropoda. Arthropoda.
Arthropoda.
Eighth one, mollusca.
Mollusca.
9, echinodermata.
Echinodermata.
And the 10th one is hemichordata.
Hemichordata.
Understood?
Yes,
So how many phylums are there? 10. Which one?
Protozoa, porifera. Protozoa, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, Estelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca, Echinodermata, Echinodermata, Hemichordata.
Hemichordata. Okay. So student, and further we are going to study subkingdom chordates. Further we are going to study subkingdom chordates. Okay. So here we are going to study phylum Chordata. So there are subphylums. Student, you have to remember there are subphylums. Okay. Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. Understood?
Yes, miss.
Repeat with me. Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. Now student, vertebrata again divided into classes. Okay, vertebrata again divided into classes. Okay, so there are 6 class. Okay, how many class? 6 class. First one is Clastrostomata. Second one is Species. Third one is Amphibia. Fourth one is Reptilia. Fifth one is Apes. And sixth one is Mammalia. Okay, everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So who is going to repeat this overall flowchart?
I am.
Okay. Ma'am, okay.
Can I repeat it?
Yes, you can. So, student, tell me 6 class name.
Cyclostomata, Pisces,
Clastrostomata.
Amphibia, Reptilia,
Okay.
Apes,
Mammalia.
Very good. And what about you, Anurag? Tell me 10 phylum name.
Protozoa, Porifera, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, Estelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata.
Very good. So student, let's study the characteristic of all this phylum. Okay, let's study the characteristic of phylum. Okay, so first we are going to study about Porifera. Okay, which one? Porifera. Okay, so remember everyone that these animals are with the simplest body plan and are called as sponge. What they are called? Sponge. And they bear numerous pores on their what they bear? They bear numerous pores on their body. And those pores are called ostia or olushka. Oscula. Okay, oscula.
Oscula.
These pores are called as ostia and oscula. Understood? These are aquatic animals. These are aquatic animals. Okay?
Yes.
Most of them are marine. Most of them are marine. Okay? Most of the animal have a symmetrical body. Okay? Which kind of body? A symmetrical body. Okay? And how they reproduce? These animals reproduce by budding and or sexual method, or even by sexual method as well. Besides, they have good ability of regeneration. Which kind of ability they have? They have ability to regeneration. Okay, remember everyone, that's the example is cyclone. Okay, cyclone or bath sponge. Understood? Now the next phylum is Cnidaria. Okay, next phylum is Cnidaria. Their body is cylindrical or umbrella like. Their body is, understood everyone? Their body is cylindrical or umbrella like, and they are called this cylindrical shape of body is called polyp. What they are called? Polyp. Okay, and also they are termed as medusa. Medusa. Most of these animals are marine. Only few are freshwater. Okay, only few are freshwater dwellers. Most of these animals have a symmetrical and diploblastic body. Okay, which kind of body they have? Symmetrical. Okay, symmetrical body. And which kind of layer they have? Diploblastic layer. Understood? They remember everyone example. Remember the example. Hydra. Okay, Hydra. Okay. Let's move to the next phylum. Let's move on the next phylum, that is Platyhelminthes. Okay, Platyhelminthes. The body of these animals is flat like leaf or strip. Their body is flat like leaves, so they are called as flatworms. What they are called? Flatworms. Okay, most of these animals are endoparasites. Which kind of animals they are? Endoparasites. Okay, and their body is acoelomate and bilaterally symmetrical. Their body is acoelomate and bilateral symmetrical. Okay, and how they reproduce, student? These animals are hermaphrodite. What is the meaning of hermaphrodite? Remember that male and female reproductive system are present in the same animal body. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So remember example: planaria, liver fluke, tapeworm. Okay, these are some of the example of Platyhelminthes. Now our next phylum is Aschelminthes. Okay, body of these animals is long thread-like or cylindrical. Hence they are called as roundworms. Understood? These animals are either free-living or endoparasites. Body of this animal is Body of this animal is triploblastic and pseudocoelomate. Triploblastic and pseudocoelomate. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Their body, these animals is non-segmented body structure they have. They have with a tough cuticle. Their body covered with a tough cuticle. And what kind and how they reproduce? These animals are unisexual. Okay, remember everyone examples: Ascaris. Okay, Ascaris, Filarial, Loa, okay, eyeworm. They are also known as eyeworm.
Eyeworm.
Loa. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next phylum is Annelida. Okay, body of this animal is long, cylindrical, and metamerically segmented. Okay, these are free living organisms, but few are ectoparasite. Okay, they are also found in a marine as well as in a fresh water. Okay, they are also found in marine as well as in a fresh water. Okay, these animals are triploblastic. Okay, these animals are triploblastic, bilateral, symmetrical, and acoelomate. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember the examples of this phylum: earthworm. Okay, earthworm, leech, nares. Okay, understood?
Yes,
Now let's move to the next phylum, that is Arthropoda. These animals have jointed appendage. These are called arthropodas. Understood?
Yes.
Plant earth has highest number of animals from this phylum. Okay? Understood? Plant earth has highest number of animals from this phylum. Okay? So body of this animal is triploblastic, eocoelomate, bilateral, symmetrical, and segmented. And how they reproduce? These animals are unisexual. Okay, and the example is crab, spider, scorpion, cockroach, butterfly, honeybee. Okay, so all these organisms belong to which phylum? Arthropoda. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the next one is mollusca. Okay, everyone, mollusca. Body of this animal is soft and slimy, hence they are referred as a mollusca. Why they are referred as a mollusca? Because they have body very soft and slimy. Okay, their body is very soft and slimy, so they are referred as a mollusca. Mollusca, it means soft. This is the second largest phylum in animal kingdom. Okay, second largest phylum. Understood? These animals are aquatic or terrestrial. Okay, body of this animal is triploblastic, eocoelomate, non-segmented, and soft. And how they reproduce? These animals are unisexual. Okay, remember the example. Bivalve, snail, octopus. Okay, bivalve, snail, octopus. Okay, one surprising information I would like to share here, student. Remember that octopus is most clever animal among all non-chordates, and it can also change its color. Yes, it can also change its own color. Okay, and he is the most clever animal from among all the non-chordates. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It can also perform the three types of locomotion like swimming, creeping, and walking. How intelligent he is. He can also perform all three kinds of swimming, creeping, and crawling. Okay, all three kinds of locomotion he is able to perform: swimming, creeping, and walking. Let's move to the next phylum, that is Echinodermata. Clasarius spine are present on the body of this animal, and hence they are called as echinoderma. Okay, echinoderma, it means what? Spine like body. Okay, spine are present on the body. These animals are found only in ocean. Their body is triploblastic eucoelomate and it is radially symmetrical in adult stage. But however, they show bilateral symmetry in larval stage. They perform locomotion with the help of 2 feet. Understood? How they perform their locomotion? With the help of
2 feet.
2 feet.
2
Okay?
feet.
And 2 feet also useful for capturing the prey.
Prey.
Understood? Why they are using 2 feet? For the 2 feet also useful for
Are also
capturing
used
the
for capturing the
capturing the prey. They have a skeleton made up of calcareous spine. Okay, these animals have good ability of regeneration. Okay, these animals have good ability of regeneration. These animals are mostly unisexual. Understood?
Yes.
So examples here: starfish, sea urchin, brittle star, sea cucumber. These are all the examples of phylum Echinodermata. Understood? So our last phylum is Hemichordata. Body of these animals is divided into 3 parts: proboscis, collar and trunk. Notochord is present in proboscis region only, hence they are called as hemichordates. These animals are also called acron or worms. Understood? These are marine animals. They are unisexual or may have hermaphrodite. Okay. The example of these animals are Balanoglossus. Balanoglossus belong to phylum Hemichordata. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, student, um, further we are going to study subkingdom chordates. This is enough for today. Okay, this is enough for today. Only we have studied 10 phylums. Okay, let's take a recap. Everyone ready for
Yes,
the
ma'am.
recap?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, first one is animal classification. Okay, animal classification. What we have studied in animal classification, that varieties of animal around us, and some animals are too small whereas some are too big. Some animals are terrestrial whereas some are aquatic. Some animals crawl on land, some swim in water whereas some fly in air. Some animals have scale on skin whereas some have feathers or hairs. In this way, there is a huge diversity among the animals. Okay, among the animals too. According to recent studies, student, number of animal species on earth is approximately 7 billion. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next topic is traditional method of animal classification. So, what we have studied here, that kingdom has been divided into two groups. Which one?
Non-chordates and
Chordates.
Non-chordates and chordates. Tell me, Sujit, where in non-chordate organism, their heart present on which side? Their heart present on which
Side.
Which side?
Dorsal side.
Okay. And in chordates, their heart present on
Ventral side.
Okay. And further, what we have studied? Kingdom Animalia. What we have studied? Kingdom Animalia. Where we have studied phylum. There, how many phylums? 10.
10.
Okay. And how many subphylums?
6.
3.
3.
3 subphylums are there. And how many class are there? 6. Okay.
My mistake.
Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's take a evaluation, student. Now you have to answer it properly, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is earthworm called as a friend of farmers? Be- because tell me everyone, because
Earthworms
the
called farmer's friend because they
they
improve the quality of
in
many ways.
because they improve the quality of soil.
Soil.
Very good. And how phylum Mollusca different from phylum Hemichordata? How
Mollusca have soft and slimy body.
whereas Hemichordata? What about Hemichordata?
These animals is divided into three parts as
Very good.
proboscis.
And now tell me some four characteristic of Mammalia. Some four characteristic of Mammalia, everyone. Okay, just skip this one because we do not study today this part. Okay, let's take your assignment, everyone. What you have to do today. Identify the organism in your surrounding. Okay, outside your house. Which phylum they belong on the basis of their characteristic. You have to identify the organism, which kind of organism they are, and which phylum they are going to belong because of their characteristic. Understood?
Yes,
Everyone understood properly, right?
yes, miss.
Okay. Thank you so much, student.
Thank you, miss.
Bye bye, everyone.